This is the move-in condition report video for 950 Yachtsman Way. Today is November 3rd, 2011. Tenants moving in are Jeremy and Tina Brew. See the front yard area. This is the 6x6 that got dislodged in the backyard area. So we've got, starting with the kitchen, floor's all in good shape. There's one small ding there on the refrigerator. Everything else looks good. Dishwasher looks good. Stove is good and clean. Inside is good and clean. Microwave's good. Tenants do actually want to use the old tenants' patio furniture, which is here. And tenants actually left the blower provided for the tenant, the new tenant. Cover obviously missing for the phone jack. Start here with the lower. This would be considered the living area. It looks pretty good. Walls are all in good shape. There's one very small orangish stain up in the dining area. One rust colored stain, pretty small in the scheme of things. This is bedroom one, the smaller of the two. Screens are present in all windows throughout the home. Laundry room looks good. This is the hall bathroom. Clean and left in good shape. Heading down the hall to the master bedroom. One thing worth noting here is just this crack, which was noted from before. Everything else looks in pretty good shape. And that concludes the move-in walkthrough video for 950 Yachtsman Way, November 2nd, 2011. That's a smoke detector.